Hello again, guys. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to get our 2019 991.2 Turbo out in the world today and do some driving in it and just, spend a little more time with the car before it ends tomorrow and remind myself why I love it so much. And I honestly do. As you can tell, we've got a little bit of wet roads, but the sky has cleared. But in days like this, when there are wet spots, it's so nice to have the sure-footedness of all-wheel drive. I definitely got into the turbos today. What a car. It's an amazing, amazing car. And I just couldn't love it anymore. It's just so perfectly powered that I don't know. It just gives me goosebumps every time I get into that power of this car. But the condition of this one is just outstanding. I did have it outside, so you may see some dirt here and there, but we will obviously clean it before it goes to its new home. But as far as condition is concerned, there's just no wear in the seats. There's no wear on the buttons in the center. The carpets are excellent. We did cover the floor mat with plastic so we couldn't harm it, but every last square inch of this car is just gorgeous. And yes, they did cover the trim, the aluminum trim in this with black, but they did a great job. We couldn't even tell until it was pointed out to us. We knew the top was covered, but that is an easy thing to remove. If the winner chooses, we're happy to do that for them. But I like the looks of it just the way it is. And that's the car, guys. Please look over the options that it has in our listing. Please look over the standard features as well. I posted those to the auction earlier. Tires, guys, excellent. Brakes, excellent. Fresh oil change, fresh service. It was just CPO'd with Porsche. It's just one heck of a nice car. So good luck, bidders. Happy bidding and bid with confidence. This is a fantastic vehicle. And I'm jealous of whoever gets it. All right, guys, thanks again. Take care.